So para hindi ka rin maligaw, hindi ka rin maninibago sa ikutan ng tao.
And of course, yun din, yung chance mo whenever you get on the court, it's your chance to shine as well.
Oh, yes.
Yan ang nagagawa nito in the 22 play Filipino.
Mga bagong muka para dito sa Quezon Huskers. Kasi yun nga, nagkausap nga kami ni Coach Mark. Talagang hinubog niya to. Talagang, alam yung something ganon. The committee will talk about it. We're gonna review it. Pero pag napatunayan talaga ng mga referees natin dito na nakadalawa ka talaga, suspended ka talaga. So balik tayo dito sa laro.
Yes,
3 points right there by Panzo. Nagpo-full time siya doon sa buong Quezon. Iniikot niya itong buong Quezon, giving seminars to those coaches sa mga barangays na
as binawian naman dito ngayon. Ratwiste with a jump round, pushing the action. He's got Conejo on the right, but that is blocked. Tumatakbo dito ang orange.
Adjustment stage yan na pagdadaanin itong bata. And look at that block right there with a swag.
Oo. May kasama pang Padilla who gets the basket. Ratuiste from the corner. Yes! Finally. 2 minutes to
doon because kitang-kita ng referee, in front of the referee.
As we take another look of this at this corner 3, Ratuiste.
Pangalawang 3 points pa lang nila. Sa dinami-dami ng binato nila. At saka nabati ko. Back-to-back 3 para dito kay Ratuiste.
From the same spot as keeping them alive. Etong si Ratuiste getting a couple of threes. So, meron silang 12-point lead heading into the 4th quarter itong Quezon Junior Huskers. This is Manny Pacquiao's junior duel with Encarnacion. Ratuiste open for 3! Yes! That is his 3rd triple.
So, pamatay sunog yung just go for that easy basket. Not giving up on that play.
Here's Conejo. Double team coming in. Conejo struggling and good defense by Ratu.